Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on or off IP remote, maybe via browser. Simply go to settings, tap on all settings, then select connection, tap on network, select expert settings. Here you can see the option IP remote. If you want now the IP remote option is enabled, you can see it will allow IP control device to remotely access and adjust your TV system and settings for your viewing environment. Power on with the mobile must be on to use this feature. So here you can see the power on with the mobile option is also enabled. So if you want to disable the IP remote, tap on this one, disable. If you want to enable, tap on this one and tap on enable. Okay. So simply in this way we can turn on or off IP remote maybe via browser. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.